Hi everyone, I'm Garrett Brown. I teach 7th and 8th grade special education, and today I'm here to talk to you about Kami, or as I like to call it, a teacher's best friend. Kami is a great tool that can be used to edit PDFs as well as annotate on them and create collaborative learning environments for your students. There are so many cool things to do with Kami that I'm worried I won't be able to contain them all in a 5-minute video. So let's talk about the ITSE standards I'll be addressing. Today I'll be addressing standard number 1, the empowered learner. Specifically, I'll target standard 1B, where students are customizing their learning environments, and 1D, where they're understanding the fundamental concepts of technology operations, and then able to transfer that knowledge to explore emerging technologies. The best way that I found to get Kami is just to go to their website, kamiapp.com. You can click Get Started right here, and it will take you right to where you want to go. It will have you prompt you to log in with Google. I'm already done that. If you don't have a Google account, you can make one, or you can log in with your email address. Either way, a lot of different ways you can work here to make a new assignment. I'm going to show you how to make a new one in a little bit, but before, let me show you what we can do with an old one. So, in this assignment that I give my students, they were asked to read this article about Galileo and his telescope, and then answer the questions and then highlight where they found their answers, which you can do with pencil and paper as well, highlighter and paper as well. So what makes Kami different? What makes it so unique? And that has to do with our toolbar over here. There's a lot of cool tools like a dictionary. Oh, like if I don't know, what does Pisa mean? Oh, it's a city in northern Italy. Oh, what does there's another one. Oh, what's a qualified mathematician? Oh, an expert in the students of mathematics. That's a really good way that students can use that. One of my favorites is text to speech. And that's where I can highlight a whole paragraph of text, even the whole story if I want to. And it'll just read it to me. Maybe make sure I change the voice because I haven't said.
Galileo still processing.
If I want to, I can skip different lines. So that's what I really like. It helps me differentiate my instruction that well. Markup is where you can highlight stuff. You can change the colors. There's a whole color palette here for everything you want to use. You can highlight words. Oh, I like that. Oh, never mind. I don't like it. Let's strike out that instead. Let's get rid of this. So if you're creating a text document, as you can see, it is a little touchy. If you have something highlighted, it doesn't like to cross it out. So you can just erase that with our eraser. Erase annotations, erases drawing and shapes, which is great. That way you're not erasing everything. You can make text boxes. The best part I like is the comments. So as a teacher, you can go through, or even with other students, you can go through, insert a comment right there. Wow, that is great. They allow for or voice typing, which is awesome. And they also allow for video comments, but I don't think it will let me. Oh, it will let me do it with I'm recording. No, because I'm already recording. Okay, so never mind. I'm already recording, so it won't let me record. But you can record video comments, which is just amazing. I'll show you where we can insert some drawings if I wanted to. If we're working on uh, another type of project, like here I have one for math where it had to draw arrays. So here they just made. I told them make the thickness this big and show me what an array looks like. Give me the multiplication sentence for it. We had to do this. This is our extra credit extension down here. If I wanted to, I could have had the students insert shapes such as circles, and it tells you exactly the size and shape of each circle. Lines, you can use lots of great tools. You can even insert images, which is just, I can Google search. Let's say I'm doing a project on pandas, and I want to insert an image on pandas. Right there, it's inserted. I can put it wherever I want and drop it there. Let me talk to you about some of the drawbacks of Kami, and that's mostly the pricing. Kami is a free tool for some of the basic skills, but I have the school district, my whole district has it. I think it's, I don't know if it's, I think our whole district has it, yeah. So basically you get all those draw shape, comments, add text, and that's collaboratively as well. With the school district and the teacher plan, you get the base, you get a lot more. Freehand drawing, stylus, so lots of cool stuff. Kami is a great tool. I use it almost every day. Have a great one.